Hello students, welcome to English class. Now we will be learning the second topic in the JSS 1 first term curriculum for week 9, and it is adverbial. Adverbial. Now we've gone through what an adverb means. You can pause this video to check other classes where we taught adverb. But in this class, we would be learning adverbial. Now, what is adverbial? An adverbial is a word or phrase that modifies the meaning of a adjective, verb, adverb, or clause. An adverbial is a word, a group of words, or phrase. So phrase is a group of words that has no verb. Phrase is a group of words that has no verb. So an adverbial is a word, a group of words that modifies the meaning of an adjective, verb, adverb, or clause. Now, what is the difference between adverbial and adverb? Adverb is just one word that tells us how, when, where, why an action happen. Why an adverbial modifies the action. An adverbial could come in form of a phrase that is a group of words. Why an adverb is just one word. Alright, now an adverbial can also be moved around in a sentence. An adverbial can also be moved around in a sentence. I'll give you an example for that. But first of all, let's go through the examples of adverbial. We have so many examples. So in this class, we would learn more examples of adverbial and how it occurs in sentences. Now, the few examples here is once a week, below the sea, after a while. So there are many other examples. Now, like I said earlier, an adverbial can be moved around in a sentence. Now, look at this. For example, we have in the morning. In the morning, we pray. So do not forget that an adverbial is a group of words that also answer the question when, where, why, how, to what extent. So an adverbial answers this question, but it's kind of different from adverb. Adverb is just one word, while an adverbial is a group of words. Now take for instance, you say she is outside. The word outside, she is outside. This word outside is an adverb. It can also function as an adverbial. Well, if you are to say she is in the garden, she is in the garden. In the garden is an adverbial. So both of them answers the same question. Where is she? So this is an adverb and this is an adverbial. Alright, now like I said earlier, an adverbial can move around in a sentence. So we have the sentence, in the morning we pray. In the morning we pray. The adverbial used in this sentence is in the morning. Now, it can be moved around, so we can say we pray in the morning. The first sentence says, in the morning we pray. The second, we pray in the morning. That is, when do we pray? That is an adverbial of time. So this is the adverbial and this is a phrase. Yes, it is a phrase. Now, please take note of this. An adverbial also modifies an adjective. An adverbial also modifies an adjective. So we have the word, meaning it shows us the degree of the adjective used in the sentence. Now, one thing is that to understand English very well, you have to take examples. So we're going to take one example. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. Now, beautiful is an adjective. Now, if you want to add an adverbial to show the degree of her beauty, you need to add an adverbial. So you write, she is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. So very is an adverbial. It is modifying, meaning it is adding more information to the adjective beautiful. All right. Now, please, if you have any questions so far, do well to drop it in the comment section. Now, let's move on to the sentence example for adverbial. Please do not be confused. An adverb is just one word that answers the question when, where, how, to what extent an action happens, while an adverbial modifies it. So it could come in form of a word or a phrase. That is a group of words that has no verb and modifies the meaning of an adjective, verb, adverb, or clause. All right, sentence example. After a while, the rain stopped. Just the way we have adverb of time, adverb of place, same thing we also have for the types of adverbial. We also have adverbial of time, adverbial of place, adverbial of reason, adverbial of manner, and so on, adverbial of frequency, and so on. All right. Now, in this sentence example, we are going to identify the types of adverbial. So please do well to pay full attention. Sentence 1. After a while, the rain stopped. After a while, the rain stopped. So like I said earlier, adverbial is a group of words that also answer the question when, where, how, why, to what extent did or something happen or the action happen. All right, after a while, the rain stopped. The word after a while is an adverbial. This phrase, after a while, is an adverbial, and it is an adverbial of time. Adverbial of time. So it answers the question when. It answers the question when. When did the rain stop? After a while. All right. Sentence 2. Many strange animals live below the sea. Many strange animals live below the sea. Now, below the sea is an adverbial. Below the sea is an adverbial. Now, I would love to ask, what kind of adverbial is this? What question does this adverbial answer? Very good. It answers the question where. Where. And that would be an adverbial of place. An adverbial of place. Very good. All right. Sentence 3. I visit my grandmother once a week. I visit my grandmother once a week. The adverbial used in this sentence is very good. Once a week. So this answers the question how often? How often? And it is an adverbial of frequency. An adverbial of frequency. Shows us how often an action happens. How often does she visit her grandmother? Once a week. Now let's move on to sentence 4. The boy ran quickly to the gate. The boy ran quickly to the gate. Now, where is the adverbia in the sentence? Quickly. Like I said earlier, adverbia can be just a word that is modifying the verb ran. So the boy ran quickly to the gate. Quickly is an adverbia, and it's an adverbia of what question does this answer? Very good. An adverbia of manner. An adverbia of manner. And it answers the question how. How did the boy run? How? He ran quickly. Now, lastly, we have sentence 5. He ran fast because he was late. He ran fast because he was late. Now, where is the adverbia in the sentence? Very good, because he was late. Now, this can be called an adverbial clause, because a clause is a group of words that has a subject and a verb. And there you get to see the verb here, was. So it's an adverbial clause. And also is an adverbia, under the types of adverbia, is an adverbia of reason. Adverbia, an adverbia of reason. And it answers the question why. It answers the question why. So why did the boy run fast? So why did he run fast? Because he was late. So this is all about adverbia. Like I said earlier, an adverbia is a word or a phrase that is a group of words that modifies the meaning of an adjective, verb, adverb, or clause. And also, an adverbia can be moved around in a sentence. It can be a front adverbia or the end, meaning it can begin the sentence or end the sentence. And we've gone through the examples of an adverbia. Please do well to rewatch this video again to have a better understanding of what adverbia means. You can as well scroll through and look for and search for the videos for adverb to have a proper understanding of the difference between an adverb and an adverbia.